Hello students. Students, today we will discuss the exercise whatever given in your book, okay, of chapter 4 and 5, because I think while doing this exercise you get confused how to do this exercise. So I want to explain it, okay, I want to explain it. So see, first you have to open page number 18, okay, 18 and 19. In our previous lecture we have discussed about the number and genders, okay. So related that chapter, these exercises are given in your book. So let's start this exercise, how to do this, okay. Okay students, first you have to open page number 18. So let's see, first write the plural form of the following words. So those words are given in your book, you have to complete that plural form, okay, all, because there are so many, so you have to complete on your own, okay, अपने आप करना आपको, so you have to complete on your own, okay. Like you have to follow your numbers rule, okay. Like here I am giving you only, I am making you understand only some, okay, like army. So how to make its plural? Armies, because let's see, army, y after there is consonant, so we will change y into ies, okay, okay, armies. Because, okay, armies. Second, lady. Here again check y after there is consonant, so we will change y into ies, so ladies, okay. So like this you have to do all these, okay, those are given in your book according the rules, and some nouns will not follow this rule, so they are exceptions, so you have to do according your book. Those are given, some examples are given in your book, so you have to do like that, okay. Okay students, second exercise, it's a main, okay. I think you can do this exercise easily, okay. Fill in the blanks with the plural form of the nouns given in the bracket, okay. Those nouns are given in bracket, you have to write its plural form. Like one example I am writing here, children are playing with the, तो what is the given in bracket? balloon. क्या दिया गया इसमें? balloon. So balloon is here given, okay. So you have to write its plural form here, okay, in this blank, balloons, okay, balloons. Again children, because children is here plural, so children are playing with the balloons, okay. You have to write its plural form, those are given in bracket, okay. Like this you have to do. Second, see, her height is 5 dash and 3 inches. So here is foot is given, but we will write its plural, then we will write here feet, okay. Okay, third, New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai are metropolitan cities, then cities. Okay, you have to write it city, cities plural is cities. Okay, cities. In this blank you have to write its. This building has 4 stories, then stories. So see here, T before there is here city. So Y before there is consonant. So we will change Y into IES. Okay, so we will change Y into IES. Story. So Y before there is vowel. Okay, Y before there is vowel. So now in this case we will not change Y into IES. We will write as, we will add S. Okay, like stories. This building has 4 stories. Okay. Downside. See in C exercise, students. Put pair of or pairs of in the blanks after reading the words given in the bracket. Okay. So here you have to write, like in number chapter I forgot to tell you that like jeans, jeans, pants, scissors, okay, jeans, pants, scissor, binoculars, trousers. These are okay, these are singular but they always used as a plural. Okay, they always used as a plural. Jeans is singular. You can say jeans एक ही पीस है तो आप कह सकते हो it's singular, but it's not singular because jeans have 2 parts. Jeans have 2 parts, so it is plural. Pants also same. Scissors also because it has 2 parts. Scissors means कैंची. Okay. Binoculars and trousers also have 2 parts. All things have 2 parts, so these are used as a plural. Okay, these are used as a plural. So because jeans have 2 parts, so you can say I have a faded pair of jeans. Okay, I have a faded a pair of jeans. So you have to write here pair only. Okay, you have to write in the blank only pair. Tailors have many pairs of scissors because उनके पास एक ही नहीं होती, many होती है, more than one होती है. तो you can say pairs of scissors. Pairs of scissors. Like my father has 2 spectacles. My father has 2 spectacles. Spectacles means चश्मा जो होता है जो आप लगाते हो. My father has 2 spectacles for reading books. Okay. तो यहाँ आपको क्या लिखना है? What will you write here? My father has 2 pairs of. Then you have to write here pairs of. Pairs of. Okay, in this blank. Pairs of. My father has 2 pairs of spectacles for reading. Okay, this one is the best. This one is the best pair of binoculars. Okay, my friend purchased a fine. My friend purchased a fine. A fine is indicate here 1. Okay, so my friend purchased a fine pair of trousers. Okay, a fine pair of trousers. Pair of trousers. Okay, because trousers here have 2 parts, so it is pair of. एक pair हो जाता है, 2 part का एक pair हो जाता है, then we will use pair. एक से ज़्यादा, यहाँ पे पेयर्स ऑफ मीन्स ज़्यादा, ओके, जैसे 2 trousers हो सकते हैं, 3 trousers हो सकते हैं, देन यू कैन से पेयर्स ऑफ, ओके. एंड हियर दिस इज 1 बिकॉज इट्स क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो इंडिकेटिंग लाइक दिस 1 इज़ द बेस्ट, 1 इज़ द, यहाँ पे 1 की बात हो रही है, देन वी विल यूज़ हियर पेयर ऑफ, ओके, बिनोकुलर्स. इन 5th, माई फ्रेंड परचेज अ फाइन ट्राउजर्स, ओके, a fine pair of trousers. I hope you understood, and you have to fill this book, okay, like this. Now upon page number 22, okay, gender also we have read in our videos. So now upon page number 22. So student, first exercise in 22 page number, write the feminine forms of the following words. So you can write this easily, you will not find any difficulties, okay. Now in second exercise, circle the nouns having common gender among the following. Circle the noun having common gender among the following. इसमें आपको जो common gender है, you have to circle on the, okay, common gender. Like see, first I am writing here boy, parent, landlord, drone and sheep, okay. So in this row, what is the common gender? Okay, what is the common gender that is used for male and female? So that is called common gender. Like parent is used for male and female, so it is common gender. Landlord, no. Sheep is also used for common gender, okay. In second, you have to do sibling, hen, uncle, cattle, bull. So in this second row, sibling is common gender because sister and brother both can be have in sibling, okay. And hen, uncle, not, you have to circle only sibling and cattle, okay. Dog, students, prince, loinus, enemy. So student is common gender and enemy also common gender. Teacher, actress, fall, milkman, so. So teacher is also common gender and fall is also, so you have to circle teacher and fall, okay. Peahen, swan, wife, companion and nun. So you have to circle companion because it's a common gender. Companion means मित्र जो अपने friends होते हैं उनको आप बोल सकते हो companion, okay. So these can be a male and female, okay. Friend, mistress, neighbor, drag, gender, okay. So here friend and neighbor is common gender, are common gender. Ram, pig, niece, king, learner, learner and learner is here common gender, okay. Human, huntress, sister, bee, emperor. So here is human is a common gender, okay. Now in C exercise, find the odd one out a word that does not fit into a group into the following. So इसमें जो भी odd one है जो इस ग्रुप से अलग है वो आपको इसमें सर्किल करना है. So boy, bitch, bull, boar, brother. So what is the odd one in this? Bitch, क्योंकि because all nouns are for masculine, but here bitch is a feminine gender. So you have to circle bitch, okay. Which is a dog female, okay. Man, monk, milkman, master and mayor. So what is the odd one in this row? Man, monk, milkman and master. These are related to masculine and mayor is different from feminine, okay. So you have to circle from on mayor, okay. Girl, queen, nephew, sister, aunt. So girl, queen, sister, aunt belong to feminine gender, but nephew is a different from other, okay. So you have to circle nephew. cattle, tiger, boar, ram, sow. So sow is here different from other. Book, shirt, car, ewe, stick. So ewe is here different from other. Okay. Classify the following nouns according to gender. Write them under the appropriate heading. Okay. So here student, you have to classify according the noun, like feminine. Here 2 columns are given. Masculine. Okay. Feminine and masculine. So according to this column, you have to find out the noun. Okay. Actor, first C, first row in first box. Okay. Actor, Sultana. Sultana is here name of a girl. So we will write in feminine column. Okay. Sultana. Aries. Okay. Aries is here उत्तराधिकारिणी होती, जैसे उत्तराधिकारी होता है तो उसकी फीमेल. ठीक है. देन ब्राइड, नीस, and these belong to feminine gender. And in second row, second box, queen, wife, and lass. Here lass means किशोरी. ओके. लड़की के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है ये भी lass. ओके. इट्स masculine is lad also. Okay. So these all nouns are belong to feminine gender. So you will write like this. In second masculine column, you have to write all rest nouns because these are belong from masculine. Okay. In E exercise, let's see E exercise. Rewrite the following sentences by changing the gender of the words given in color. So those are in colors. Okay, like red color, uncle and dog. In the first sentence, see, my uncle has a pet dog. So okay. So you have to write these colored noun in a. You have to change colored noun into feminine. Okay. See, like इसे आप अंकल देखो इसमें एक सेकेंड. My uncle has a pet dog. Okay. My uncle has a pet dog. So now here you have to change because uncle and dog is here in color. Okay. So you have to change its gender. Okay. Like, तो कैसे लिखोगे सेंटेंस? How will you write the sentence? Again rewrite. My aunt, uncle, because uncle is a masculine, so you have to change its gender. Aunt. My aunt has a pet dog. का क्या होता है फेमिनिन? बिच. ओके. बिच. Same. A king has had 4 sons. Then you have to change its gender. A queen had 4 sons. I am writing here. Second, a queen had 4 सन लिखा है तो आपको क्या करना है यहाँ पे daughters. Okay, daughters. Then my grandfather was a rich landlord. Then you have to write my grandmother was a rich landlady. Okay. In fourth, a man with 2 boys was going to the market. Then you have to write a woman with two girls was going to the market. A hunter was running after a boar. Then you have to write a huntress, because you have to write here feminine. A huntress was running after a sow. Okay. Her brother is an extremely fine actor. Then her sister is an extremely fine actress. I met her brother and nephew yesterday. I met her sister and niece yesterday. Okay, student, I hope you understood and you can do easily. In fifth exercise, look at the following pictures and write their names in the correct gender. Okay, here you have to write its gender. Then first is a masculine, second is a feminine, and third is also masculine, fourth is masculine, fifth is feminine, and sixth is also masculine. Okay. So student, I hope you understood all exercise and you can do these all exercise in your book in good handwriting. So student, thank you and have a nice day.